Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, this video is being sponsored by my stock market mastery course. Enroll now and learn about my every move. I've been focusing on. I've been only releasing one video a day on YouTube instead of every 12 hours because I want to focus more on my research. I want to focus more on my videos. I've been trying to release one to maybe like a few, like 5 or 6 videos a week on my stock market membership group. Just recently I released a video asking my members for help because I came across a roadblock from research, and I've been researching into a new industry. I don't want to talk about it. If you guys want to find out, join my membership group, and maybe then you can figure out what I'm researching. But yeah, I posted a video. I need your help. So if you want to be part of my membership group, right now it's $40 per month and $480 per year if you don't want to pay monthly. So the big news today is Aurora Cannabis to list as. Oh yeah, I made 2 trades today. I'm not. My members told me not to talk about it. I just want to let you guys know that if you were part of my group, you would know what trades I did, what buys I did, what sells I did, and everything will get posted at the end of the day for proof that what I said in my email actually happened. So today Aurora came up with news like I was predicting. I was saying that they were gonna stage this. They're gonna like come out with a little bit of news every week, and then try to build some hype for the New York Stock Exchange. I mean, the New York Stock Exchange is exciting. I'm not saying it isn't exciting, but they're banging on this drum can like no tomorrow. New York Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange. Like seriously, like I don't know. It feels like they released little bit of news on New York Stock Exchange. Today they announced that the ticker symbol will be ACB instead of ACBFF. That's going to be very confusing to certain traders. They're going to be like, am I looking at the New York Stock Exchange? I'm looking at the Toronto Stock Exchange. But regardless, it's still pretty cool that they're upgrading to the NASDAQ. I can't wait for the actual date, and then I can't wait to see my ACBFF get converted to ACB and on the New York Stock Exchange instead of the OTC. That's going to be pretty cool to see in my account. Aurora today didn't do too well. $13.18. It went yesterday on the US side, it went up dramatically. Today on the US side, it went down, and this is reflecting the US side and the Canadian side. So $13.18 today, which is okay. Will it hit $14? Maybe, but we need some other news than just the New York Stock Exchange. Seriously, we need some other juicy piece of news than besides the New York Stock Exchange before this stock goes above and beyond $14. I'm hoping we get a Coke deal, but that's wishful thinking. So the other big news for Canopy Growth is they developed 5.7, like they are right now 75% licensed for their 5.6 million square feet. They're growing out of 4.3 million square feet. That's a lot of product. It's a lot. Like if you take every million feet as 100,000 kilograms, they're producing 430,000 kilograms right now. That's insane amount of product. Where are they gonna sell all this product? Obviously, from my research, Canopy can't ship this overseas. They have to sell this in Canada. How the hell are they gonna sell 460,000 kilograms? Let's say by the end of Christmas. By the New Year, they'll have 460,000 kilograms per year. You take out the calculator. 460,000 divided by 12. They're producing 38,000 kilograms per month. That's a lot of money. If they sold everything, Canopy's revenue and profits was gonna skyrocket like no tomorrow, but that's a lot of product. That's a lot of product, I have to say. Canopy stock. Oh, what the hell? Canopy stock should have done better today, but it didn't. It went up in the morning and then kind of declined because there was some selling pressure. I think this company's undervalued. I'm not gonna add any more. If I do add any more, it has to hit my certain price target, and you guys will find out if I ever buy any more Canopy if you join my stock market membership group. Namaste. Let's see where Namaste's down today, 1 cent. Getting closer to that juicy price target I wanted at before I make a position in this company. Find out by joining my membership group. Sean came out with some news today Namaste came out with some news today to respond with Citron trying to sue the company. It's pretty interesting. I knew that Citron was full of hot air. I still hope the stock price declines because I wanna put my foot back in the door and put a position back into this company, because I do still believe in this company for the long term. In the short term, I don't like making short term predictions. It could do anything. It can go to $3. It can go all the way down below $2. Anything's possible in this company. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say about this company. Aphria. So Aphria climbed a little bit today. Well, I guess it's kind of declining. But somebody wanted me to get into the announcement of the first quarter 2018 results. Okay, I don't know why I have two Aphrias up. But so I went to Sedar and I looked at the annual report. I have it loaded up here. Oh, it's the wrong one. So, first of all, the first thing I have to say is I don't know if they had a capital raise not too long ago, but the cash and equivalent is kind of scary. It's $59 million. I think they had a $60 million. I think they had a capital raise not too long ago. I'm not 100% positive on it. On this, the total asset is about $800 million if you minus the $522 million in goodwill from purchasing out different companies. The liabilities is pretty good. They have $140 million of total liability, giving them a shareholder equity of $1.17 billion. Granted, you gotta minus another $500 million, giving them about $600 million of shareholder equity. In reality, it grew quite a bit from the last year's shareholder equity, but I don't know. They're still considered one of the big threes, or I guess the big four now, because Tilray overtook them. They were competing with Metroleaf, but Metroleaf got bought out with Aurora, so Metroleaf was actually above Aphria when it came to market cap. Last quarter, the revenue was around $13 million. The total annual revenue for the year was $36.917 million. They were at they made money. They made about $30 million that year. I'm not too sure how they made money, but I know they're like a super low cost producer. Maybe that's like the reason why they made money. Let's look at the inventory. Let's see the inventory. They have $22 million of inventory as of May 31st, 2018. Aurora has a lot more than that. They have combined with Metroleaf, they have almost $100+ million of inventory. So Aurora is well capitalized in inventory compared to Aphria. The next quarter report, since this last one was ended on May 31st, 2018, the next one should be for June, July, and August. I don't know if in August they were selling cannabis to the provinces. If they did, then it would it would be a very nice quarter. But if they didn't, the revenue should be around $13 million. I don't know if they're gonna be profitable, but the revenue should be around $13 million, maybe $14 million. Who knows? Maybe you bump it up another million. Who knows what's gonna happen? I think it's gonna be around $13-14 million. But the report after that, the next one, the one in, I guess, for September, October, November, which they're probably gonna be announcing in January, so in the New Year's. That one should be a very good one, because that one's gonna reflect that one's gonna reflect like the rec sale in all the province, because legalization's happening on October 17th. So my prediction is the next report's not going to be too good. Will the stock price drop from the next report? Maybe, but Aphria is kind of connected to Aurora and Canopy. So if Aphria drops a lot, then I think Aurora and Canopy are probably going to follow. That's just my prediction. Tilray stock, next one. Tilray stock decline. Interesting. Looks like an opportunity for me. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I hope it declines some more, because it makes even a better opportunity for me to buy. But yeah, there's definitely a company on my radar. If you guys want to find out if I ever buy any more of the stock and how much stock I buy of the stock, join my stock market membership. I update my members as soon as I buy something, like a couple minutes after I buy it. I log into my Teachables, and I send viral emails to everyone telling them at what price I buy it at, how many shares I bought it at, and then at the end of the day I will post proof that I bought the stock. So yeah. AMD, I was hoping this stock would decline more, but it actually did. It climbed and then declined. Interesting. If this drops to a certain price point, I'm gonna definitely add more to my position, because I do believe in AMD in 2019. I still believe that this company will be $50 billion market cap. So in theory, if you buy it at the right price, you could double your money next year, because I think next year is gonna be an excellent year for AMD. They are gonna attack Intel on the server market. Intel's already came out admitted that they're gonna lose market share in the server market to AMD. That's gonna be exciting. I can't wait for this. I can't wait for AMD in 2019. I think they're gonna have the press conference, the quarterly report, on October 23rd, according to my research, but there hasn't been an official date yet for the earnings report. But I'm definitely gonna be watching that. I'm gonna listen to that. I'm gonna be reading it. I follow this company, but I don't follow this company as closely as I used to, because back in the day I used to be a big shareholder on this. I used to have like 80% of my money into this company, or even more. But this is the original company that made me started my path to become rich. So it's I'm really excited for this company in the coming years. Another company that I bought that I'm up a little bit on. Yay, Tesla! It's up today. I took the advantage of the weakness in stock price, and I bought Tesla on the path to profitability this year, and 70% gains, stock gains, Marik says. So, that's interesting. I'm gonna read this article as soon as I'm finished making this video. Yeah, I made a gamble, and it's paying off right now. Look at that. The stock price is up $260. Feels good. Feels good. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.